So we'll wait for another 5 minutes and we'll start our session. Let all the students join. Okay, we'll start our session. Now, I'll show you how to register for NPTEL course just in a 10 to 15 seconds. I'll show you. For that, what I have done is I have taken a login from the student. So click on the sign in. First, you have to open the Swayam website, swayam.gov.in. This is only for who have not registered. After that, I'll show you how to take the course also. So open the website swayam.gov.in. swayam.gov.in. Next, click on the sign in. So next, either you can click here, sign up now, and you can register, or you can use your existing Google account also. Now, what I'm going to do is I will use my existing Google account. I have taken one student account actually. I use that account and I'll show you how to register. Maybe I have to open an incognito window. So let me open here. 1 minute, I'll share the incognito window. Okay. No. Please wait 1 minute. Again, it will ask for the identification mark. Let me log in and then say. Okay, now I'll share again. So what I have done is simply I will open another window. So it is also coming as same. Okay. So I have clicked on the Google account and I have given the user ID and password. As I am showing a demo, I have taken the user ID and password from the student and I have logged in with the user ID and password of that particular student. Now I want to check whether I have enrolled for this particular course or not. What you have to do is click on this mail ID. This mail ID is there now at the right hand side top corner. Mail ID is there. Click on that particular mail ID and select my courses. Click on that particular mail ID and select my courses. If you click on that my courses, then automatically see Litendra has enrolled for 3 different courses. So he has enrolled for 3 different courses: system design through Verilog, computer organization and architecture, and cloud computing. He has enrolled for 3 courses. So now if you have a doubt, or if you want to know whether you have registered correctly or not, what you have to do is click on go to the course. Click on go to the course. So when you click on this go to the course, if that course is already started, you can see here week 0 and week 1. Week 0, it will have only a practice exam. If you write or not, nothing will happen, because that marks will not be considered. The marks will be considered only from the week 1. Now I'll show you how to check whether I have registered correctly or not. Again, at the top right side corner, you have email ID. Click on that particular email ID and click my profile. Click on the my profile. So if you click on the my profile, then automatically you can see here. So what the student has given is wrong actually. So click on the edit profile. Okay, click on the edit profile. At the top right corner, edit profile is there. Click on that, and here highest qualification is 4-year bachelor's degree. Highest qualification is 4 years bachelor's degree. So if you have done anything wrong, simply you can edit now. No issue at all. You can simply edit now. And on every Tuesday, whatever the editions that are being done, they will be updated in the website. Okay. So next, year of graduation, correct, 2024. Are you a part of Swayam local chapter? Yes. And here we have to select our college name. So this person has given it correctly. All the details are correct except that bachelor's degree and BTech, ECE, 3rd year, everything is correct. And click these 2 check boxes and click on update profile. Now the profile is updated. See here, 4 years bachelor's degree. Whatever the updations I have done, simply those updations will come into existence from next Tuesday onwards. Okay, now the profile is correct. So like that, you have to check whether you have given the registered number here or not. See here, registered number is not mandatory, but in order to transfer the credits, we have to get the registered number compulsorily. So please check whether you have given the registered number correctly or not. Okay, this is the registered number. You have to, if anything goes wrong, please go to the my profile and edit your profile and give the correct details. Nothing will happen. Now, so as my profile is correct, now what I have to do is, again I'll go to my courses. Okay, now I'll show you how to complete those particular courses. So this is only an example, no? So what I'm doing is I'm going to click on the go to course, and now I will start my video lessons. I'll start seeing my video lessons. So totally in week 1. Okay, everything is a 12-week course only. All department courses are 12-week courses. Either it will be cloud computing, or it is waste management, or it is any triple related, anything, whatever the course that is there, it is a 12 weeks course only. So you will have 12 weeks of course means 12 assignments will be there. In that 12 assignments, minimum you have to write 8 assignments. Minimum you have to write 8 assignments. You have to write all the 12, but minimum should be 8. So whatever, suppose if I wrote 12 assignments means whatever the highest 8 marks are there. So those will be considered for the internal examination. So internal is for 25 marks and external is for 75 marks. So for the 25 marks, suppose in 12 assignment exams, in 8 exams, I have scored 100 out of 100. Only multiple choice questions will be there. So in 8 exams, I have scored 100 out of 100. And in 4 exams, I got 0 out of 100. Then my internal will be 25 out of 25 because in 8 exams, I have already scored 100 marks. So automatically, I'll get 25 out of 25. And for the external exam, automatically different centers will be there. You have to go to the center and you have to write down the examination. Okay, the online examination is not possible. You have to go to the center. For example, TCS ION centers are there in Guntur. So 3 centers are there. Those will be the centers, and other 3 engineering colleges are there. So there also you can go and write. The centers will be allocated by the NPTEL only. So they will give you the option at the time of registration for the examination. They will ask you whether you want to select Guntur city or any other city. Wherever, whatever the city which you have selected, based on that, randomly they will give you the examination center. Okay. So we cannot ask, I want to write the exam in this center, or like that. We cannot ask. Whatever the center is printed on your hall ticket, in that center only you have to write down your examination. Examination is for 3 hours. It will be for 3 hours, and minimum time for examination is 1.5 hours. Minimum 1.5 hours. Surely you have to sit in the examination hall, and after 1.5 hours, if you have completed your examination, you can submit it and you can come back. Within 15 days of time, you will get your result. All the results and communication will be sent to your email, as well as SMS also will be sent. Whenever results are out, they will send you an SMS to check and verify your particular result. So I'll show you the entire procedure. Now I'll show you how to see these video lectures. So week 0, no need to worry about that, because that will not be considered. From week 1, it will be considered. Now I'll click on this particular lecture 1. So overall in this week 1, I have 5 lecture videos, and these are the materials. Lecture materials are there. So why materials are used is, whatever the thing which they are teaching in these 5 videos, they will give the material for that. Okay, so these lectures are taught by the professors from IIT. For this particular course, Soumya Kanti Ghosh is teaching this particular cloud computing course, and he is from IIT Kharagpur. Okay, now what I'll do is click on this particular cloud computing overview, and see here, if you click on this play button, automatically video will be played. So like this, what you have to do is, you have to see all these 5 videos. The final examination also, the questions that are there in the final examinations also will be from these videos only. So if you see all these videos perfectly, then obviously you will get, there is a scope to get a very good score. Okay. And whatever the marks which they allocate in the certificate, they will print the marks actually. The same will be taken for your 314 subject. For every branch, the code is 314 only. 4th subject, 3rd year, 1st semester, 4th subject. So directly whatever the marks that are printed on your particular certificate will be taken into your final marks. Okay, like this, you have to click on this particular video, and if you click on this particular play button, that video will be played. Okay, now I have seen 2 videos. As now you don't have any classes and all, you have only online internship. I request every one of you, please see the videos and see the lecture notes, and after that only you try to write down the assignment. Now I'll show you how to write down the assignment. So click on this quiz week 1, assignment 1. Click on this particular week 1, assignment 1. I think this person already opened it and he wrote the exam also. Very good. Vitendra Sai, very good. You have written already the examination also you have written. So see here. And one flexibility which is there in this particular NPTEL is this due date is there. No, for example, the date for submission of this first assignment is 10th August. So another 13 days are there to submit this assignment. So if you want to change my answers, simply whatever the answer you want, you can change any number of times. You can change it any number of times. Okay, till you submit final submission, any number of times you can change your answers. Suppose I thought this is the correct answer right now, and I want to change my answers. Simply again, see here, you may submit any number of times before the due date. The final submission will be considered for grading. So suppose you think that on 10th of August at night 11:45 I have submitted the answers, then that will be your final answers. So when the clock ticks 12 o'clock, then obviously the final grading will be given. So the grading can be found from this bar progress. Progress button is there. No, if you click on this particular progress, then see here, now it is showing dash, no, Now it is showing dash. Suppose if you open this on 11th August, then your marks will be shown here. Your marks will be shown. Everything will be tracked actually. Everything will be tracked. So, and yesterday I have sent you the procedure how to um, click on the mentor. So I think you have understood how to give the answers for the quiz. Okay, see these videos, use this lecture material and click on this particular quiz, and when the quiz is open, you click on the answers which you are thinking which is right and click on the submit button. Okay, at the bottom submit button is there. You can click on the submit button. Before the due date, any number of times you can change your answer. Any number of times you can change your answer. Next, on 11th, as the due date is 10th August, on 11th, click on the progress and you will find your marks over there. Now the next procedure, I'll show you how to click the mentor. Click on the mentor option is there here. Okay, and see here already Litendra has selected Subramanyeshwara sir as the mentor. Okay, so don't click on this remove mentor. Okay, mentor is very, very important. Mentor is very, very important because suppose due to some heavy works or any busy works, okay, you forgot to write down the answer. So mentor can see your progress actually. Mentor can see your progress, whether you have submitted the assignment or not, whether you are getting marks, good marks or not, whether any improvement is needed, and whatever things he want to suggest you, he can suggest if you are selecting a mentor. So that's why I told you, selecting a mentor is mandatory. So if you select the mentor, even though if you forget to write down the assignment, the mentor will definitely tell you the timelines about that particular examination. Because sometimes due to our schedule, we forgot to give the assignment. So like that, there is every scope that mentor will help you in all the aspects, and he will track the status of your performance also. Because this is an examination, you have to definitely pass in the examination. If you pass only, then 314 subject will be cleared. If you are not going to pass that exam, again the next semester you have to enroll for the same course, and again you have to complete the same course, like supply. Okay, if you are failed, you are writing down the supply, no, like that again the same procedure will be here also. That is the main problem. That's why you please select a mentor of your choice. I have given the options. For example, for EC department, Subramanyeshwara sir and Rajesh. For CSE department, myself, Rajalakshmi madam, Siva sir, and Raja Sultana madam. And for AI and DS branches, Kiranmay madam and Manasa madam. And for IT department, Bhargav sir and Nagaraju sir. For civil department, Nitin Kumar sir and Tayaba madam. And for triple department, Balakrishna sir and Sushmita madam. So for each and every department, we have given two options. Okay, so whoever you want to be your mentor, you please select your mentor. Here it will show all the options. Okay. Already I have enabled the mentor. So here it will show you all the options. If you don't know the procedure, I have sent you a video, see that video, and from that you please select your mentor. But don't forget to select the mentor, because if you forget to write down the assignment also, your mentor will track you. He will track you and surely he will show you the procedure. Okay, if you have any doubts, he will show you the procedure. If your performance is low, he will take necessary steps to improve your performance so that you won't fail in the internal exam. See, for internal 25 marks, 10 marks will be the pass mark. If you are getting only 9 marks, you will not be allowed for the external examination because you are failed in the internal. Again, in the next semester, you have to write down the internal. So that will be the problem. That's why select a mentor, and based on that particular mentor, only automatically, if your performance is a bit low, your mentor will help you. Surely he will help you and he will see that you will pass in the internal examination. Okay, surely, definitely he will help you and he will see that you will pass in the internal examination. Okay, that is the benefit of the mentor. Okay, next one. Now I'll log out from this account. So now I'll show you the next procedure. how to, 1 minute. If you have any doubts, you can type in the chat box. I'll answer till now. If you have any doubts, you type in the chat box so that I can answer all those questions, and I'll move to the final phase, how to enroll for the examination. If you have any doubts, you please type in the chat box. So if you have any doubts, please ask. So that I can solve your problems. If any problems are there, I'll solve your problems. Okay, hope there are no doubts. So now I'll show you the final part, how to enroll for the examination. Yes, a very good doubt. I have enrolled for 2 courses. The 2 courses exam in same day. Yes, NPTEL allows us to write 2 examinations on the same day. Only 2 examinations you can write on the same date. Actually, one examination will be from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Another examination will be from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, on a specified date, you can write 2 examinations. It is valid, no issue at all. On one day, you can write 2 examinations, and NPTEL, what it does is, if someone is enrolling 2 examinations on the same date, what they will do is they will allocate the same center. For the morning as well as for the evening examination, they will allocate you the same examination center, so that in the morning you can go and you can complete both examinations and you can come back. Okay, 2 examinations are valid. And another one is also there. Suppose if you are enrolling for 4 courses, in a particular semester, if you are enrolling for 4 courses, 4 different courses, and if you pass in all the 4 courses, so then automatically NPTEL will give you an award. NPTEL will give you an award. Okay, they'll give you an award, as well as they will give you one gift also. So they will give you an award and they will give you a gift also for enrolling for 4 courses and completing all those courses. And in a particular year, if you are enrolling 8 courses and if you are passing at least 6 courses, then also you will get a separate award. So in a semester, if you are enrolling for 4 courses, automatically, if you pass all those 4 courses, NPTEL will give you a award. And in a year, if you are enrolling 8 courses and if you are passing at least 6 courses, then also you will get a separate award. Okay, you will get a separate certificate. Those awards are called NPTEL stars. Those awards are called NPTEL stars, STAR, stars. Okay, that is another benefit. Next one, whoever are the toppers from each and every section of the branch, each and every section. Okay, not the complete branch, because for ECE and CSE students, 3 sections are there. Okay, so for each and every section that is available, the top 10 students will get complete reimbursement of the fee. Top 10 students will get complete reimbursement of the fee. What we can do is, your NPTEL faculty coordinator will recommend those students, and I will forward those students to the NPTEL. But only one class is there. So, for example, some student gets 90 and one student got 60. If those both students we are recommending to the NPTEL, means what they will do is, for that the student who got 90, they will give that complete fee reimbursement. Okay, they'll give that complete fee reimbursement. So that is the case of this NPTEL. So for some students, not for all, but for some students, what they do is, who are the meritorious students in this particular course, they will refund the complete fee. 1,000 rupees will be the examination fee. The complete 1,000 rupees will be refunded. for all the students. One cutoff will be there. They won't say the cutoff. What they will say is simply you recommend some students, we'll scrutinize them and we'll give the fee reimbursement for some students. Like that they will say. So there is a scope that you may get the reimbursement, complete fee reimbursement if you are performing at the good level. Okay. So we'll move on. I think no more doubts are there. Okay, fine. So I'll show you how to register for the examination. How to register for the examination. Let me share it. Okay, fine. See now, any more doubts? I registered 2 courses, but in the registration members list, my number is not there. Gayatri, I have shown you the procedure how to edit your profile. Go to your profile and give the registration number there and click on the update profile. Then automatically by next Tuesday, your registration number will be shown in the college login. Okay, thank you. So now I'll show you the examination procedure. So I want to register for the cloud computing course. Okay, simply what I can do is click on my courses. So after clicking on that, go to your particular course. Okay, okay, I'll register for this particular course. You can click on this, or simply you can click on the register exam also. In both you can click it. Okay, so even here also is the register for certification exam. Okay, click on this particular register for certification exam. See now. So when I clicked on the registration for certification exam, as I have already logged into the system, it is showing my email ID. Okay, but whenever you are because regularly I take the courses every semester, I compulsorily take the courses from NPTEL. So at the first time only we have to complete several steps. From the next examination and all, there is no need to complete all the steps again. The steps which we have given previously will be there in this particular login. Okay, so next time onwards, it will be very simple to register for the examination. But for the first time, it will be somewhat typical. Okay, you see the procedure first. If you have any doubts, you can contact your NPTEL coordinator, or you can contact me also, so that I will help you. No issue at all. Yes, for each and every examination, 1,000 rupees is the cost, and for SC/ST students, it will be around 600. 600 for EBC or OC or BC, any student, it will be 1,000 rupees per examination. So when I click on that register, I'll go back again. See here, here option is there. Okay, or either I can again go to my courses and click on this register exam. Okay, so I have clicked on this particular register exam, and it is asking to give the exam dates, and click on this July to December. Click on this July to December and click on go to personal info. So don't worry about that. I have already written so many examinations. It will not ask me my details, but okay, so this is, you give your address and all, address, phone numbers, everything you give, and after that select the gender, and after that this is the main part in your particular examination registration. See here, you have to give 3 different things. So the first one is the passport size photo. Don't give selfies and all. Don't upload any selfie photo. Please upload your passport size photo only. That also should be under 50 KB to 150 KB size only. Okay, I told you, no, already I am writing several examinations from past 2 years. That's why my photo is already approved. But when you try to register, it won't show you this one. Okay, it will show you to upload your password. One box will be there and one button will be there. If you click on that particular button and you select your photo, and it will be uploaded. But before uploading, you see that your photo size will be 50 to 150 KB only. And the signature, take a white paper. Okay, take a white paper and you make your signature on that particular white paper. Okay, after that, you take a photo of that particular signature and you crop it and see that only signature will be there, and you upload that particular signature. Okay, 50 to 150 KB only. And finally, you upload either your college ID card or your Aadhaar card. Aadhaar card would be better because whenever you go to examination center to write the exam, they will ask you one ID proof, either college ID or Aadhaar card. Okay, they will ask you one ID proof. Here also you have to give one ID proof. So for example, I have given my photo. This photo will be printed on the certificate. This photo will be printed on the certificate. This signature I have uploaded. This signature will be given on the hall ticket. The signature will be given on the hall ticket. Next, ID card. So this is only for proof actually. So they won't upload anywhere, and they will ask you only for the proof. If you give these three correctly, then from the next semester or for the second course which you are going to take, these things won't ask. See, now it is not asking, like that. For you also, it will not ask you. So remember that the size should be between 50 KB and 150 KB only. Okay. Next, there are several options here. Do you come under SC/ST category? If you are SC/ST student, then click yes. Otherwise, click no. Because if you forgot and click no, then it will show you 1,000 rupees. If you click yes, it will show you 600 rupees, but it will ask you for the caste certificate. Okay. Next, are you a person with disabilities above 40%? No. What is your role? You have to select student. You have to select student. As I am faculty, I have selected faculty. You have to select students. And are you writing the examination in outside India? No. Compulsorily, it should be no only. So how do you know about the course? You can write here college. See here, college. Or you please select this one, NPTEL local chapter. You select this one, NPTEL local chapter. Select this NPTEL local chapter. Next, are you okay if you share the details with the potential employers? You have to click yes only, because if anyone is approaching NPTEL that I want to recruit the students who have completed 2 courses from the NPTEL. For example, Capgemini is there. 20 days back, Capgemini gave a call for interviews for only the students who have taken 2 courses from NPTEL. Unfortunately, there are no students from our college, so that's why we have not sent any data. But if you complete 2 courses, then there are some employers who will call the students for interviews. Okay. So click this yes only. And what is your motivation to do the course? See, several options are there. Okay. I want to update the knowledge. So I have clicked on that particular option. It's up to you. Okay. Next. Click on this. I hereby confirm that the given postal address is correct and it will be used for further communication. No letter also will not be coming, but they will ask you. You click this and click save and continue. So now what has happened? My personal info is finished. Now they will ask you some more details like your college country, India, your college state, Andhra Pradesh, your college city, Guntur. You have to write down all this. Okay. Your college name, Chalapati Institute of Engineering and Technology. So please see correctly, okay? And you give. And area, engineering department. As I am computer science and engineering faculty, I have given computer science and engineering. So next, can you share your scores with the college? This is very, very important. Here you have to give yes only, because as 314 is a subject for you, what we have to do is compulsorily we have to do a credit transfer to you. See, if you pass, you'll get 3 credits. So if your score is visible in the college only, we can do the credit transfer. And if you want to get your degree, compulsorily these 3 credits should be transferred to your credentials. So that's why you have to put yes only. I think 4 students who have registered for the examinations already have kept no. So for those 4 students, credit transfer will not be done. Means if they pass also, that result will not be considered because they have kept no. So we don't know what is their score and all. Okay, that is the main problem. So you please click this yes option only. Can you share your scores with your college? Yes, it should be shared. Okay, and click on I agree. Click on I agree. Save and continue. Another advantage is there actually. If you click on yes, your score will be directly visible to us, so that anytime there is no need to ask you to submit all your certificates and all. So we'll get your certificates directly so that we can take the prints and we can do the background process, everything we can do on our own. That is the main thing. Okay. Next, click on the save and continue. So now I'm going to click on the add course. Click on the add course, and so I'll pay for the cloud computing. And here automatically exam date is showing on 30th 10 2020 is my examination date. Okay. So this option, please don't tick it actually. So as I am a faculty, I can take this option, but you are a student, no? So this option won't show it to you. Now, okay, for I want to write 4 courses, but as of now, I'll show only one. So I have selected my course and click on add course. Okay, see here, my course is added. Now click on select exam cities. Select exam cities. Now, this is the main thing which you are going to do. Okay. So click on the edit button. Click on the edit button. Okay. And you select your state, Andhra Pradesh and Guntur. Okay, that is my first preference. See here, when I selected Andhra Pradesh and Guntur, it is showing to me to pay 1,000 rupees. Okay, so now what I will do is I have given second preference. Again, I'll go for Andhra Pradesh and I'll go for Bapatla. Where is it? Oh, now Bapatla is not there. And that option is not there now. So nearest will be Narsaraopet is there. But the problem with this is, if you get a college that is located far away, that will be very difficult for you to go to the examination center and write. Okay, 99% they will give you the option of first option only, but we don't know. If I don't select Vijayawada, because if you select Vijayawada, some centers are there located very remotely. So last semester we saw a center which is there in the edge of Vijayawada. It is around 40 kilometers from Vijayawada. So the Kandriga, some Kandriga name is there. So we don't know where that is, and that is a very difficult place to go. That's why don't select Vijayawada. First option you select Guntur, and second option I'll select Chirala, because only one center will be there. Only one center will be there. So obviously, I can simply go to that center and I can write my examination. If you are going to select cities, means 10 to 15 centers will be there, and there will be a lot of traveling involved. So based on that, you please select your city. Next, it is asking me to select the third option. What I will do is, again, I'll select Guntur only. So I have selected 3 options. You please try to select the different options. So no issue, and click on the confirm and save. See now what have happened. I have given the preference and all. Now I click on confirm and pay. So it is asking to check me all the details which I have given. You please check this question whether you have given yes or not. If you have given yes only, you please pay for it. Otherwise, you go and edit your profile, and from there, again click on yes, and you pay for the examination. For students, it is only 1,000 rupees actually. For students, it is only 1,000 rupees, not 1,100. It will be 1,000 rupees only. Now click on the I agree to all the above. I agree to all the above. Where is this button? 1 minute. Okay, continue to payment. Now it will show me different options. What I'll do is, if you want to pay from the Phone Pay or Google Pay, you can use this UPI option, or net banking, debit card, credit card. Every option is there. What I will do is, I will use this QR code and scan, and I will pay. Okay, so that no extra charge will be collected from me. Okay, proceed for the payment. So I will scan it. Now let me pay it. Finish. Simple procedure. I have paid the examination fees. See, I have paid the examination fees. Now I'll take a printout. Printout means I won't take the printout. I'll convert it as a PDF only. So that for future reference, and email also, they'll send you an email also, no issue. NPTEL payment. Fine. Okay. So now click on continue with registration. Continue with registration. So see here, payment complete. Payment complete. So this is the procedure how to pay. Okay. Now click on this, review and finish. So my procedure is done. Like this, if I want to pay for the new course, again I have to do the same procedure and I can pay for this particular course. In a particular semester, okay, you can do minimum 4 courses. On a particular day, you can register for only 2 courses. If you try to register 3 courses on the same day, it will show you an error. It will show you an error. Okay, so it will allow you to pay only for 2 courses on a particular day. This is the procedure which is involved in paying the particular fees. I hope every one of you understood the procedure correctly. Okay. And okay, when we apply for second or third exam course, which date we select? No, the date will be shown by the NPTEL only. There is no date to select actually. Whenever you suppose I selected cloud computing course, it showed me the 30th date. Suppose if I select another course, it will show me another date. Or if same date is also for 2 courses, it will say take the same date. Okay, every process is automated only actually. So hope your doubt is solved. So now I am open for questions. Anyone, if you have any questions, you can ask me so that I can solve your, I can say the answers for your questions. Any questions? So I'll send you the procedure how to enroll for the examination. You can see that and you can enroll for the examination. I think another 15 days to 20 days time is there to enroll for the examination. Before that, don't forget the deadline. The first assignment exam should be submitted by 10th August. No, actually, 3 centers cannot be selected. 2 centers they can do. But if you try to give the second option also as Guntur, it won't take. Only 2. %, they will give you the center number 1 only. And for some cases, if number of students writing in that particular center are more, then obviously what they will do is they will give you another center, nearest possible center. So that's why Vijayawada is not a good option actually. So which is a metro city, no? That's why a lot of centers are there outside the Vijayawada. That's the main problem. Any questions? So if you have any doubts, you please ask me. Otherwise, we'll close the session. Remember one thing, NPTEL is very easy when compared with your regular subjects. Learning NPTEL is very easy, and the professors from IITs, NITs, and very premier institutes will take the classes. So this is a very good opportunity for you. So to learn from the professors from the reputed institutes. So any doubts? Some students may get doubt, sir, if I fail in this semester, what I have to do? Like supply only. If I fail, suppose if I am a student, I failed in 311 subject, what I will do again in second semester, again I will pay the supply fees and again I will write the same examination. No, this is also the same procedure, but the examination fees will be 1,000 rupees. So this is coordinated by IIT Madras. This NPTEL is coordinated by IIT Madras actually, and all the premier institutes in India will be taking classes in this. So if you use this correctly, it will be a very good advantage actually. So when you are going for the campus placements also, you can say that I have taken the course from NPTEL from that IIT professors. taught the classes and I scored this much score, or I have got this award, or I have scored topper. Then like that, if you say, means obviously the companies also will prefer you. And in the certificates, actually, there are 4 levels. The level 1 is a pass certificate, means if you get the marks between 50 to minimum will be 40. So 40 to 60, if you are going to get, means they will give you a pass certificate. From 60 to 75, they will give you elite, ELITE, elite certificate. From 75 to 85, they will give you silver certificate. They will silver, okay, that carries a lot of weight actually. Above 85, you will get a gold certificate. Gold means they will say that you are a topper. All those silver and gold certificates, the fees will be reimbursed for sure. For sure, the fees will be reimbursed. Second center option, up to my choice, I will select Chirala. It is a distance. I agree that Chirala is far away from here, but why I am going to select Chirala is there is only one center in Chirala. So I can easily go to that particular center. That's why I select Chirala. Suppose if I select Narsurapet, there will be 3 to 4 centers again. There will be 3 to 4 centers. So if you select one center, maybe if possible, I will see that a bus will be arranged. In Guntur, will surely will arrange the buses. For Guntur, all the centers will arrange the buses. If around 50 students are there in any one center, we will try to arrange the bus to that center also. College buses will be there for all the students who want to write down the NPTEL examination. So any more doubts? Any more doubts? If you have any doubts, please let me know. I have posted the registration list till yesterday. Whatever the registration list that is there till yesterday, I have posted in the group. You please check your registration number, whether that is there or not. One student have written Chalapati Institute of Engineering and Technology / register number. You please edit your profile and remove that college name. Give only register number only there. And if you forgot to give the registration number, please edit your profile and give the registration number. And if you have given the wrong college name, actually morning also I saw one student give Chalapati Institute of Technology. So instead of Chalapati Institute of Engineering and Technology, please see the correct name of the college and please select the correct name of the college only. Okay. So you can edit the profile. Once, why I am saying these many times is, what they will do is, after a certain period of time, they will freeze the account. Once they freeze the account, they won't allow you to do any type of modifications. They won't allow you to do any type of modifications. Okay, so that's the problem. Now they will allow you to do all the modifications. So if you want to do any type of modifications, now you can do. There is a chance to do it. So any more doubts? Hope that everyone have understood the process of registration and how to take the course, how to write down the assignments, and how to select the mentor, and finally how to pay the examination fees. After August 22nd, you will be coming to the college. No, if you have any sort of doubts or any problems, if you face, you please come and meet me. Before meeting me, you please first you meet your NPTEL coordinator. Okay, and you can come to me if any issue is there. Surely I will be there to solve your problems. Okay, thank you so much. I think no more doubts are okay. Okay, some doubts are there. 1 minute. Exam will be submitted if money is paid. No, paying money is different, and writing the assignments are different. So assignments will be from the due dates only. They'll give the due date. Before the due date, you have to submit it. So money is for the external exam, not for the internal. Last date for registration of examination, it is around August 10th, I think. I'll see the exact date, but time is there. Surely time is there. till August 10th, examination fee paying time is there. What they will do is generally they will prolong it to August end. But you please pay as soon as possible. What will happen? If you pay, then no issue will be there. Okay, then thank you so much, all of you. So I hope this NPTEL course which you are going to take will help you in the placements as well as for upgrading your knowledge. If you have any doubts, please don't hesitate to ask your NPTEL faculty coordinator, ECE Subramanyeshwar sir, EEE Balakrishna sir, IT ANR sir, AI Kiranmay madam, DS also Manasa madam, I think, or Kiranmay madam. CSC you can ask me, or you can ask the faculty which I have said. And I have left for civil branch, it is Nitin Kumar Reddy sir. I have selected 4 different centers, sir. Is there any problem, sir? Can you explain? 4 different centers for 4 examinations. No problem will be there actually. No issue at all. Okay, 99%, the first option which you have given will be chosen. And that too, what they will do is, for example, all our students have paid today, registration fee today, then it will be a first come, first serve only. So as I have paid today, and I have registered for the examination, I asked for center 1. Obviously, they will give me center 1 only. If you are paying the last date, if you are paying the exam fee on the last date, what they will do is, on that day, if that center is available, they will give you the first center. Otherwise, the second center will be allotted. That's the problem. Okay. Any different options you can select. No issue at all. Yes, actually fees can be paid by the students, or you can pay to your mentor also. Means I have said your faculty in charges, no? So you can pay the fees to them also, so that they can do the bulk pay also. Bulk payment also can be done. But better option would be you pay the money yourself. Why? Because suppose you wrote the examination and you have scored top in the examination, you got 90 marks. Then what we will do, we will recommend you for your fee reimbursement. The 1,000 rupees which you have paid, we will recommend you for the reimbursement. Then if you are going to the reimbursement, if you are paying from your account, the money will be automatically credited to your account. If you are not paying from your account, and if you are doing the bulk payment, then obviously that amount will be referred to the college. And again, we have to check the account whether that amount is refunded or not. And after that, again, we have to check and that amount is your amount or not. That also we have to check. And after that, we have to return that amount to you. That will take a lot of time actually. But if you pay from your account, obviously that money will be refunded to you itself. Will be easiest procedure. But if you don't have that option, you please contact your faculty in charge and you pay to them. No issue. Okay, then thank you all of you, and please see the video lectures. Whenever you are free, please see the video lectures and please write down the assignment number 1. Okay. Thank you. Have a great day.